So I absolutely really love when new features are released from Google. This is something fantastic that I've been waiting a long time for. I used to love it in Universal Analytics. Now it's gone into GA4, and now we also have it in Google Search Console. So SEOs are going to be very happy with this today. So what is it we're happy about? Well, first of all, you'll see when you log into your Search Console here, you're going to have this data. This is just a coffee shop directory I do for a test SEO website. We pop in here. What do we see? New notification coming from Google. It's about custom annotations. So you right click on the areas on the chart to see what is happening, and you can say what's happened on those days. Two very important dates straight off the bat that I'm going to put in the Irish market is on the 26th. I'm adding an annotation, and it's the 26th that I go to. So I can click on the chart, and I can do it this way. And this is the day that AI overviews launched in Ireland. So very important date for me anyway, because a lot of websites that were informational based saw a huge amount. So now I have an annotation and it's going to add. And if I hover over it and I click on it, it's going to tell me what happened on that specific date. So it's just a really cool feature to see what's going on your website. Now, the other one, which is one that happened quite recently, is the 8th of October, is a new thing happened in the Irish market. And again, it shows the 9th, so almost get it. And this is when AI mode was rolled out in Ireland. So these important dates in the SEO calendar, if there's ever any confirmed reviews, but this is just something handy that we can do, and we can say to clients that, yeah, it's the impact on data on these specific dates was down to these new features. So you can see on click data, you can just exit off. So click data, you can see here, that was just around that time there was a bit of a fall off. And again, when AI overviews was launched, maybe it's not quite in line, but that's just an example of what we could do. Now, it's not just about things that happen in Google. If there's specific items that happened on a day, like say something happened back here, that's kind of where we'd see it. Like we run an Irish website where we speak about St. Patrick's Day, and on St. Patrick's Day, what happens? Sláinte, a blog post spikes every time. So now it's good to be able to record these things, but very cool feature from Google. Love it. Very, very handy, and it's great for us for record keeping, and we love to analyze and keep a track of what happened in the data. So that is absolutely perfect. Now, we only have 16 months, but when you're in reporting calendar year, it's still excellent. And yeah, very well done, Google. Thank you for listening.